This is quadrature phase shift keying. First we'll discuss the transmitter of the QPSK. Now before that, quadrature means 4 shifting, it is shifting of 4 times phase. So before that I'll teach you they are having 4 successive bits. So first is serial number. Suppose I equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to 3, I equal to 4. So input successive bits. So first one they will be thinking of like 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1. So first symbol S1, S2, S3, S4. So here it will be, the phase shift will be pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. So we have 4 shifting. Now they are successive 1 0. They together 1 and 0 is known as D bit. D bit means 2 bits. So if you write something like 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1, you write like this. So they will be D. This will be D bit. So this will be odd. This will be even. This will be odd. This will be even. Odd, even, odd, even. So they are known as D bits. Coming to the block diagram of the transmitter. Now, first step 1. First step is, you can see it is a conversion of NRZ signal to the B of T. We all know this. NRZ, like binary data, will be converted to your, this is your binary data, converted to NRZ, and it will be coming in B of T. So here we will represent 1 by +1, 0 by -1. So +1 volt, -1 volt. Second step, you have demultiplexing. So here what we are doing, we are, as I told you here, we are separating the B of T into bit streams of odd number and even numbers. Now like B of ET, B of ET is even number, B of OT is odd number sequence. So the one sequence will be of 2 TB. You can see in the figure that the sequence is divided into B of even and B of odd sequence. Now after that will be step 3, we will be marking it step 3. So this is modulation. Now bit stream, even bit stream B of ET will modulate a carrier of root PS cosine of 2 pi f naught t, and even odd bit stream will modulate carrier of root PS sine of 2 pi f naught t. So further they can be written as SE of t, that is even BE of t root PS cosine of 2 pi f naught t. S odd of t can be written as BO of t root PS cosine of 2 pi f naught of t. Let this be different equations 1 and 2. They are basically signals of BPSK. So again we'll be having +1 and -1 volt. Now fourth step, step 4, modulation. After modulation, addition of these two carriers. So we will add S of t is equal to odd of t plus even of t. So this will be written as B naught of t root PS cosine of 2 pi f naught of t plus even BE of t root PS sine of, wait, here I have done a mistake. So this will be sine of t. So this will be sine of 2 pi f naught of t. So this is the other equation. Now phase shift equation, finally it will be according to the phases. So step 5, the phase shifting will be occurring according to the waveform. So we can see the waveform for that, and you have a, what I made in the first diagram, you have that kind of value. So this will be, this is known as phasor diagram. So this is for pi by 4, you were having B naught of t equal to +1, even of t is equal to -1. So this one will be, this is pi by 4 and this was 3 pi by 4. So this one, this side will be B naught of t equal to -1, B even of t equal to -1. Then again here it will be 5 pi by 4. So here it will be B naught of t equal to -1, B even of t equal to 1. Now this will be complete till 7 pi by 4. So this will be B naught of t equal to 1, B even of t equal to 1. So this is your phasor diagram.